So hey guys, welcome to our very own channel Crypto Jason. This video is really going to be an interesting video because in this video I'm going to talk about a crypto exchange as well as a crypto token which can give you up to 10x profit. So please make sure that you watch the video till the last, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel until now, make sure you subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, please select the button all. So friends, as you can see, we are on the Bitstamp website. Starting with the history of Bitstamp, it was found in the year December 2017. So let me tell you friends, this exchange is basically more than 3-year old. It is not any new exchange that I am introducing to you, and Bitstamp is basically from Indonesia. So there are two basic features in which Bitstamp is leading. First one is easy to understand interface, and the second most important thing in Bitstamp is the transaction fee is really cheap. I will explain in detail about that a few minutes later. Let's have a look at the different products that Bitstamp owns. So starting with the Bitstamp exchange, I have provided my referral link in the description below. If you are using my referral link for sign up, it will benefit you as well as me in terms of the trading fees. If you are a new user, just click on the register. As I already have an account, you can see I am logged into my account. So this is the basic interface of the Bitstamp exchange. Now let us have a look at the second product that Bitstamp has, which is the Bitstamp token. And the current price of the Bitstamp token as of 11th April 2021 is 4.6 cent, and the total supply of Bitstamp is of just 12 million. If we just compare the total supply with Bitcoin has a total supply of 21 millions. So you can see it is really an undervalued coin. But friends, the Bitstamp exchange is aiming the price of BST up to 50 cent by the end of the year 2021. Major benefit of holding the BST coin is that it will help you to reduce your transaction fee. Also, it will help you to get listed on the BST exchange if you are a customer or you own your own cryptocurrency. For both the parties, BST is extremely useful. Now let us have a look at the use cases of BST tokens. First use case, which is the discounted trading fee. If you are using the BST token to pay the trade fees, you can reduce your fees up to 50%. So the second use case for owning a BST token is the yield farming. Here you can see you can get an yearly interest of up to 161%, which means that every month you can earn a profit of around 13.4%, which means that we can get a profit of up to 0.44% every single day, which indeed is a good profit for the yield farming that BST token will provide. But friends, the swap as well as the farming feature is currently disabled. Now friends, coming to the next use case, let me tell you friends, it is the biggest advantage of holding the BST token, which is the profit share. 50% of profit, whatever the Bitstamp earn from the trading fees, is distributed among the BST token holders. So if you are a BST token holder, depending on how many amount you hold, you will get a profit share of whatever the Bitstamp exchange will earn. Here is a simple mathematical calculation on how much you can earn just by holding the BST token in the Bitstamp exchange. Talking about the next use case, you can use the BST token for trading in the forex market. Now friends, the final as well as the best use case of holding the BST token is that if suppose in future, if you want to list in the Bitstamp exchange, you will need a total vote of 150,000. For a single voting, you can only perform the listing with the help of BST tokens. For a single voting, it costs just 0.1 BST, which basically means that you just need to spend 15,000 BST tokens in order to get listed in the Bitstamp exchange, which just cost around $690 as per the current rate. If you just go for listing on any other alternative exchanges, it will cost you around $2,000 to over $12,000 for every listing. In Bitstamp, you can get listed for as cheap as $690. So that's it for the video. So guys, hope you have gone through the whole video and understood everything about the Bitstamp exchange as well as the BST token. If you got any doubts or queries, you can comment down below. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.